Guys, good morning. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang roles and responsibility bilang isang safety officer. Okay guys, ito nagbigay po ako ng 30 roles and responsibilities. In this my first video, I will give you the two first responsibility of safety officer. Okay guys, watch out. Number 1 is identification and risk mitigation. A safety officer is a pivotal in maintaining a safe and secure working environment. Their maintaining responsibility involves monitoring, evaluating potentially dangerous and unsafe conditions in the workplace. They use their expertise to identify situations and provide valuable recommendations to the management team. This advice aims to eliminate these hazards, although or where it is not possible, reduce their potential impacts to the lowest possible level. Okay guys, and number 2, workforce protection and safe equipment operation. As a safety officer, their paramount duty lies in safeguarding the well-being of employees in their work environment. This role entails implement preventive strategies to shield workers from harm or injuries. It also includes enforcing the safe operation of all workplace machinery and equipment. They do this by establishing comprehensive guidelines, ensuring all equipment is used correctly, and in reinforcing adherence to safety protocols. So guys, yan po yung dalawang unang roles and responsibility ng safety officer. So guys, marami po yan. So stay tuned. If you like my videos, follow me, like, and share. Let's give an small education, or let's learn continuously. Hindi po nagtatapos ang ating career pag nakakuha na po tayo ng Bosch or course or anything in the market. Okay guys, so make sure you are updated to all the regulations of health and safety, as well as all the updated best practices. Good morning guys, and see you around. Good day.